got stuff to do. Welcome back to another episode of Dented Dreams Garage. Right here, we've got our latest project, 1980 Chevy LUV. 4-speed, 4x4. As you can see, I paid top dollar for this glorious rig. And she's got all the bells and whistles. It's got a flip-up hood. It's got an Isuzu 4-cylinder. It's got functional 4-speed, well, functional 4-wheel drive and a 4-speed. And it's got weather-checked tires. I can't believe we're even driving it. She's a classic. But here's the thing. We need to know, what can this LUV do? What can it handle right now in its current state? Unaltered. Unrefined. This raw gem of American Isuzu something. We need to know. We need to know what she can do, because we need to know where we're going to take it. This may not have a good windshield. She may not have a very good front end. She may not have a lot going for her. She may not have any horsepower. But what she does have, well, she's got me. We're gonna have to change the power plant on it. We're gonna need to make this fast and cool somehow. Minimum maintenance. Wow. Let's do it. Mother of God. Sorry, truck. Oh yeah. Yep. Oh, that's a good thing we bought it. Because we might break it. Woo! Carburetor's a little unhappy, so we're gonna just coast down this hill, see if we can just pop the clutch. Nope. One more try. Come on, old girl. There we go. drove the living hell out of this 1980 Chevy LUV. But, I mean, let's face it, 60 horsepower and like a 55 mile per hour top speed, it's just not going to cut it. Now, if this was in far better shape, I'd feel differently about what we're about to do. But for the interim there, we need to discuss power plants. I mean, I've seen some people do some crazy stuff with these LUVs. Me, personally, I mean, just for a budget standing, I could put a 350 combo in here right now. Nothing wrong with a small block Chevy. You can make them fit. Sam, what would you put in it? Big block? What kind of big block? What? You're squeaking. 454? 454 would be big. I don't think 454 is really gonna fit.
We don't need negativity.
But I guess you could always check and see if it would fit. Route it this way. Yeah. Big block would fit. If the maths are right. Measure once, cut.
3 times.
Yep.
This is good.
Fit? Totally. We got straight
All
lineage.
this space.
Oh, this is all kinds of space. Well, we got this. Even another idea would be to take a 4.3 liter V6 from the 90s, strip off the fuel injection, put an L-Brock intake and carburetor on there, and then strap a turbocharger to it. It'd be a rocket sled. Any guesses? Or we could just
454.
big block it. Now, we could do a big block, but then we'd have to run headers probably through the fenders, and I don't know if I want to spend that kind of money. Small block, 350, affordable, fast, but a couple other options. Sticking with the small blocks, we could go with something this light. We could probably go with a 262 or a 283 and build reasonable power for what we're trying to do. Now we can pick those up cheap. And when's the last time you saw one built? So the front hit a deer. It hit a buck. You know, well, that's fine. That's, you know, superficial. I think that's from a shed door. That's for a shed door. You know, but anyway, we got this Isuzu powerhouse in here. I think that made a whopping 70 horsepower new. We've had some windshield damage, but solid repair. It's a 10 out of 10. Got some lights up top. Yeah, that front end might be a little trash. Door's not too bad though. And the bed's actually about perfect. I mean, that's all surface. Yeah. I don't know if I actually see anything on this bed. Let's check the back of the bed. Are there any rust holes in here? Well, I don't see any. Oh, maybe one right there. I don't know if that's a rust hole though, or that almost looks like, I mean, it's got lime. That almost looks like a bullet hole to me. Like a thing. I don't see any rust on this bed. I mean, obviously the surface rust. I don't see any through rust. So that's cool. Let's check this side. That's some mossy surface rust. Some more mossy surface rust. File that and put it in a jar and see if we can grow it. Yeah, that's not bad either. I think that whole bed is solid. Believe it or not. Let's check this tailgate. More surface. More surface. Well, it's got a little cute little sail panel. That's dented. I mean, who needs tail lights? We won't even address that. That's dented. I wonder if these came with a bumper. I mean, surely that little roll panny make-believe thing's not a bumper. We can ignore that. That one's good. Well, that came with a lot of oil. We'll ignore that. A big ass side mirror for a little itty bitty door. Roof looks good. Those are good. Cab corners. Rocker panel's not so good. This door's fine. The fender, a little dented. Rusty. Okay, so the front end is shot. Let's check this interior. We got shifter 1 and its little brother, shifter 2. All these aftermarket gauges actually work. The tach works. Speedometer works. Your spark plugs. Huh, that's unexpected. I mean, overall, not bad in there. Battery's half the size of the motor. Oh, look at that horn. Looks like a trumpet and a seahorse had a baby. That's interesting. Yeah, see the seahorse side of things. Okay. I guess I should say this came with a parts truck, so I'm hoping we can fix this front end. But I don't want to take away from the character. This is our 1980 Chevy LUV parts truck. Sam found a hole in the floorboard. What do you mean it's not a hole?
There's no floor.
Oh. Where'd the license plate go?
Because you know it was doing a really good job.
It was doing a good job.
Yep, holding it all together.
I don't know whether to fire it or give it the Medal of Honor. Well.
We're just going to flip it back on.
You're just going to flip it back down and ignore it?
Yeah, it's better that way.
Okay, well.
Just don't talk about it.
Okay. We'll just put that in our pocket and bury it deep down.
Yep. Fancy.
How's the suspension on that one?
Oh, so good. So tight.
Well, give it some hard jumps. Yeah. Maybe it's got good suspension. You know, we do have some pretty straight fenders up here. Pretty good grill. Most of a hood. One might be able to even hammer out that bumper if he was so inclined. Sam broke the tailgate. Yeah. Not such a good fender.
It was already broken.
But due to a lack of options, we might have to fix that. That door's not too bad. Roof's not too bad. The rest of the cab's trash. The bed's pretty rough. Oh yeah.
What are you going to tow with this?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what you would tow with this. A lawnmower? A box of cats? I don't know. If I want it to sound the same as if it's running, I just have to make the noises. Wong! 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 Honk!
It's your...
It echoes in here. I don't know if I like having like the sealed cabinet. This feels bigger than the other one. Very strange.